That is a horrible story.
Come on, that's your favorite story. Love you tons.
I love you 3000.
Фотография твоя, горят воспоминания.
3,000? That's crazy. Go to bed, or I'll sell all your toys. Then again, that's the hero gig. It's part of the journey is the end. What am I even tripping for? Everything's gonna work out exactly the way it's supposed to. I love you 3,000.